Subsequently by a serious road travel accident within the vicinity, and this became a mass casualty incident very quickly because of the level and number of injuries which were involved in the two incidents which happened almost at the same time. Our local Red Cross team rushed to the scene and tried to stabilize the situation, but immediately identified that there's a high number of casualties, and this therefore had to seek collaboration with the other agencies, especially the local health facility, to try and manage the casualties. Immediately they did first aid and started transferring to the local facility, but later on we realized that the local facility could not handle some of the injuries because they were very critical and required further referral. So we activated the Kenya Red Cross casualty evacuation system, which includes air evacuation within the country, and we mobilize one aircraft to come and lift the casualties, as many as we could be able to carry. So here we are able to carry 4 of those with critical injuries, which we are evacuating to Nairobi to get the specialized treatment.
Leo asubuhi tuliamka kwenda kutafuta kibarua mahali tunategeanga tu. Sasa wakati tulifika kwa kiwanja mwendo wa saa 1:30 hivi, hatukuwa tunajua kama kuna kitu imetekwa hapo kwa kiwanja mahali tunategea kazi. Najua kidogo kidogo tu tulijisikia tu tuko chini sisi wote. Tumeanga tu hapo. Watu 7. Sasa 5 wakakufa hapo kwa hapo. 2 wakaponea tu. Alimaututi, mimi ni mmoja wao tu.